everyone, welcome to my Lightroom series where I'll be covering how I've refined my workflow over the last 6 years. I'll cover import to export and everything in between. Let's get started. Today's lesson is going to be step 1, how to import into Lightroom. We'll cover the import dialog, file renaming, presets, and where to place those onto a hard drive. Let's get started. Let's go ahead and import those some photos right now and apply those presets. So I'm going to go over to the library module, come down here to the left to import. Okay, now that we've got the camera connected, I can come into my settings here and I'm going to import these last few photos that I've taken. So I'm going to uncheck all. I'm going to select these guys here and I check them, and then over here, or actually let's go up to the top, I want to make sure that I'm copying, because I'm copying from my directly from my camera, my SD card. And then over here I want to build standard previews. You can build one-to-one or embedded in sidecar or minimal. I usually do standard, some people do one-to-one. I prefer to do one-to-one afterwards. And then I don't import suspected duplicates. I don't build smart previews. I've heard that does help speed up your catalog, but I don't tend to do it. Now, file renaming, I like to rename the files to a certain format. So right now you can see they're CTG 00003 through 7. So I like to rename those. So let's do a custom settings. I'll show you what that does here. So the way I do it is I do it by date, starting with the year, month, date, dash, image number, so 001. Now if I'm shooting a wedding or some event where I've got thousands of photos, I'll change that to be 0001, so there's multiple digits there, but usually 001 takes care of it. And that's what I use to name my files. I know some people like to insert a custom text and add, a description of what the photo is. I don't like to do that. I like to just leave it date and image number. So we hit done. Extension, I'll leave that as is. So this is where I was saying the develop settings. I'm going to come down to the import and I'm going to use my import. And then metadata, we created that, so we put 2019 in there. And then if you want to, you can add keywords to this. So right now I've got a group of images that are all of the same. They're of my 16 to 35. So I can add a couple keywords in here, just a couple of keywords to get us started. So hit enter there. Now we choose the destination. So I'm going to minimize these a little bit. So I'm going to add these to my Data 1 photography folder 2019. This is how I have my folder set up, my files set up on my computer. So I go by year, by month, and then by date. So 11, and I have it into a subfolder by date, and then the same format as I had for the file renaming. So as I come down here, you'll see it's creating a new folder called 2019 1130, and if I scroll down some more, that's it for the import options. So I go ahead and hit import, and then you'll see that those will have those keywords already associated. It's got the metadata already associated with it, with my copyright information, my address, things like that. So that's how you import into Lightroom. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video if you think others can use it. Till next time, see you guys later.